हाँ जी एंड वेलकम बैक टू द हडल। आज वैसे तो हमने चैम्पियंस लीग के सेमीफाइनल्स और फाइनल्स डिस्कस करने थे, लेकिन एज यू ऑल नो जो कि पिछले 2 दिनों में फुटबॉल में हुआ है, सो मी एंड द बॉयज आर गोइंग टू बी डिस्कसिंग ऑन दैट द यूरोपियन सुपर लीग किस तरह बनी और फिर 2 दिन में ही वो ख़त्म भी हो गई। सो सबसे पहले पैनल से इंट्रोडक्शन करवा दूँ, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम माई राइट, मुश्तबा खान, मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड फैन। सारे बाय द वे
Hello.
फैंस जो हैं वो टॉप 6 क्लब्स और एसी मिलान से हैं। So, हाँ, तो
आज हो ही गया इसका
हाँ आज हो ही गया इसका फायदा। उसके बाद वलीद मसूद खान, लिवरपूल फैन। जकरिया आगा सिटिंग राइट नेक्स्ट टू मी, लिवरपूल फैन। तारिक अब्दुल रहमान, एसी मिलान फैन।
Small boo.
और अबू बकर आगा, चेल्सी फैन। अच्छा,
And Arsenal fan, unfortunately, सादा से।
ये मैं वैसे ही कट कर दूंगा तो फायदा नहीं है।
अब इंटरेस्ट नहीं करता आपको।
सबको पता है मैं कौन
ये
हूँ।
भी यूएफा है
तो
यूएफा
वो तो हमें भी 2 एपिसोड
साद नासिर कौन है?
अच्छा, तो सबसे पहले मैं बकर के पास जाता हूँ।
आ जाओ।
बकर, व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दिस यूरोपियन सुपर लीग? क्योंकि चेल्सी जो है दैट वाज द फर्स्ट क्लब, इंग्लिश क्लब टू रिट्रैक्ट, जिस पे मैं रिस्पेक्ट पे करता हूँ। सो व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स?
Fans को भी.
फैंस को भी, हाँ ऑब्वियसली, और किसको?
No, you said club.
नहीं, नॉट द क्लब, द फैंस।
The fans.
हाँ, बेसिकली जो क्लब है इट्स मेड बाय द फैंस।
Yeah. National के fans. Sorry.
ये तो मैं डेफिनेटली कट कर रहा हूँ। अच्छा बकर,
Well, it's hard to give the club credit because obviously they put us in that position in the first place, and the credit should go to the fans who came out outside the stadium. Yes, the owner was quick to retract, and we were the first club out of it. But I think from a fan's perspective, we might forgive, but it'll be hard to forget, and it'll take time to build a trust deficit back because
The first time the fans have ever done something useful.
no, not the fans. The Chelsea fans are honestly, in my, of course, there's the odd racism thing and that pops up. You
नहीं
can't.
वो हर क्लब में होता है।
हर club में होता है.
Every club.
But when it comes to things like this, where it's about the club's integrity and stuff, they always come out. And this was clearly like motivated by greed and money. It was benefiting executives over any fan or any player or any manager. So, as from a fan's perspective, I'm glad that we're out of it.
Do you think if being a Chelsea fan, if the European Super League went through, number one, would you still watch it? And number two, these same fans, do you think they'd still watch it?
To be honest, when we won the Champions League final, I don't think I slept for a couple of days because I was so happy, and I couldn't sleep for the 2 days before that when we were building up to it.
But वैसे ये FA कप फाइनल के बाद भी हुआ था लास्ट ईयर तुम्हारे साथ। व्हाट्सएप
वो
से
तो
तुम गायब हो गए थे।
लेकिन कहने
को वीडियो भी भेजी थी तुम्हारी।
कहने का
No, but
मकसद ये है कि
the emotional thing.
कहने का मकसद कि FA कप फाइनल से पहले भी बहुत एक्साइटमेंट हुई थी कि ये मिस नहीं करना, and no matter where I would, I'd watch it. But like with the super, like for example, let's say we competed in the Super League, we got into the final. If I had something to do that day, I might have done it. I might have not watched it because there's this, the Super League trophy is a meaningless thing. We don't know what the integrity is. We don't know. There's no history attached to it. The Champions League, even the FA Cup, especially for Chelsea fans, FA Cup is a big deal because these things come with prestige.
I agree.
And so when there's a
100%.
competition where, like in the Super League,
Is anyone gonna call Bakar out on his bullshit? Like, because he is lying clearly. Because he's clearly lying.
just to summarize, hold on, to summarize the
I
Super
would not watch it. Says the fan who didn't sleep for 2 days.
I'm just
It's
gonna.
funny.
I'm
It's coming from a Chelsea fan. History की बातें।
We'll get to that too, but just to finish, like when there's a competition that there's no relegation promotion from, when there's no stakes attached to it, and then when big games happen all the time, then what are you looking forward to? Just normalizes everything.
On the one hand, we're saying that this was motivated by greed, but on the other hand, I think it was also motivated by how much each of these clubs were fed up of their own boards and UEFA in general.
They were fed up of their own boards.
Well, for example, the
I
English in the English Premier League, for example,
Yeah.
Liverpool, Man City, and some of the big clubs wanted 5 substitutions because this season was contracted. The previous season was contracted, and a lot of these bigger
What
clubs.
does that
were
have to
playing-
do with the?
What does that have to do with the board?
I don't think that's a good example of.
No,
but what do they have to do with the
so
board?
For example, Pep said this in his interview, right? He said that right now everyone's saying, oh, the big 6 clubs are all only looking out for themselves.
Yeah.
But when we wanted 5 substitutes, All of these clubs were looking out for themselves. All the smaller clubs, the 14 smaller clubs voted, we won't have 5 substitutes.
That's a fair point.
But so in this case, everyone's like, oh, they're only thinking from themselves. They've never consulted the other clubs. But these clubs were like, no one else cares about us. Our FA is scheduling games whenever they want.
Yeah.
The lower clubs
No,
aren't
that's
having
true.
us letting us have 5 substitutes. UEFA isn't transparent about how they spend their funds. So that's why it made some sense for them to say that we're on our own. We should be able
I mean,
to
like
dictate
generally a
trends
bigger
more.
club, like my perspective is a bigger club should be able to manage 5 substitutes because of the budgets they have, the wages they can afford. It would be much more difficult for a smaller club to
No,
manage.
but that's his point. Na?
Yeah.
Ke, it's literally at the end of the day, it's every man, every club or whatever for himself
No, but-
thing.
but
So
that's
they
why
have
they-
to. So that's
but
why
that's
the big
why
ones, the big ones look after themselves, while the small ones do the exact same, but at a different.
but that's why they have the
different angle.
associations, right? So like
The
to
thing
look
is,
after everyone's interests.
there's not an entity or a team that doesn't look after their own interests, but
Of course, it's
the
natural.
5 sub thing was recommended by independent medical boards, and there were so you could see how many injuries were happening, especially post lockdown, and these players were physically suffering. And like, of course, it does benefit bigger teams, but the more important point is that it was done and proposed because human beings were getting injured. So you can mask it any way you want.
And these
but-
bigger clubs, while of course they have larger wage bills because they're bigger clubs, they make more money. But in this pandemic, everyone's suffering. They don't have the money. I mean, they can't just sign 5 players out of the blue and then have them play throughout the season, right?
But
so they
the
wanted
bigger
to
the
introduce
revenues,
just more
you
substitutes.
can. But if you have bigger revenues, you can play around with the money. It's a bit more easier,
It is easier on them, but the 5 substitutes rule, it doesn't benefit the bigger clubs as much as maybe it does everyone around the league.
अच्छा तो कोक आ गई अब सबके पास एवरीवन
Coke
सेटिस्फाइड
आ
नाउ
गई,
अच्छा तो तारे के पास मैं चलता हूँ क्योंकि हम तो ज़रा प्रीमियर लीग की डिस्कशन होती रहेगी ज़रा सीरिया का मैं एंगल ले लें
top
AC
league in
Milan
the world,
fan, हाँ.
Serie A.
अच्छा whatever
Yeah, it's kind of strange. Like, I just saw Paolo Maldini's tweet about him not knowing anything about it, and I totally get that. Like, this move was something that was only top executives,
Owners,
only,
basically.
owners only. Like, and that's what's so strange to me about this whole move. Like, if you're going to do something, you should take your fans and at least your coaches into account on this.
your team basically
Yeah, you're throwing them under the bus. You're letting them face the questions. That was so ridiculous.
ये भी था ना एकदम
कि अगस्त में शुरू कर रहे हैं
Oli Gunnar, he was like, Uska, he had to, while his match was happening, and he was like, what the hell is happening? I don't even know what's
Yeah.
going on.
Yeah.
Another thing is that from the other perspective, I get why they did it, because UEFA in the past, they've had a lot of issues in enforcing some of the things that they should have been enforcing in the past. Number one, financial fair play. And as an AC Milan fan, I know firsthand the effect it's had on my club. We didn't play Europa League for one season, even though we qualified. We technically voluntarily banned ourselves, but it was a ban that was going to come anyways. And it's so ridiculous because whenever they enact these kind of rules like financial fair play and even this new format of Champions League, they do it.
उस पे आते हैं हम फॉर्मेट पे
They do it, yeah.
फाइनेंशियल फेयर प्ले
No, what I'm saying
बेसिकली सिटी का जो हुआ था
Yeah, they do it.
They-
They do
they
it.
got out of
They
it.
do 1, 2, 3 years in advance because they let everyone get their things in order. Literally the year before that, City bought as many players as they wanted to buy, and young players as well. Neymar aa gaya tha, Mbappe aa gaya tha. Neymar's transfer is one of the most dodgiest transfers in all of Europe, and abhi tak uski bhi investigation abhi tak sahi nahi hui based on financial fair play. So like.
It was a loan and then 200 million next year.
Yeah, and apparently there were like 4 or 5 middlemen, including Neymar's own father, who took money from Santos. So jither 200 million or whatever the amount was, 200 million euros or pounds. The club Santos got only like 30-40% of that. That's so ridiculous, and UEFA should have been the people who actually enforced that.
That's 86 million, and that was the Barca transfer.
Yeah,
40 million for.
The Barcelona
you're
transfer.
confused.
Sorry,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
totally confused that. But what I'm trying to say is that if they're going to, call foul and say, against football, तो they ये भी कोई फरिश्ते नहीं हैं. They need to look at themselves.
I'd like to
as
add
well.
on this that like if and generally like any corporation which takes major change or something like that, they conclude like a proper stakeholder analysis, and I feel like less of it was the anger towards the fact that the tournament is good or not, or the Super League itself. There was more foul play being called on the fact that no one was being consulted. And if people were consulted about it, like the fans per se and the teams, managers and players and everything like that, so they might have even stood a chance. You know, like if it was on proper competition levels.
Not taking fans into
And I
consideration
think
was
that's
their biggest
another thing
mistake.
that Perez made a mistake in his
Yeah, yeah.
interview. The first interview. This is the first interview you're giving after the European Super League,
Yeah.
and he's saying things like cash injection, profits. We're going to short down the time of a match from 90 minutes
It's
to
like his
whatever.
accountant wrote his speech.
Yeah,
like,
and he's just
एग्नेली ने भी
losing
बोला
it.
था ना बेसिकली जो आजकल के बच्चे जो फोर्टनाइट खेलते हैं वी वांट टू केटर टू देम
The one thing that I noticed out of that was like there was actual like he was talking a lot of bullshit, but it was coming from the heart. You know, it was like there
He
was,
believed it, like he
there
did
was
believe
pain
it.
there. Like he's
No, but
and the
there
reason
was-
for that, like coming back to Zako's point, is like they are literally fed up that they had to go through this, and they know the stakes that were on play.
Florentino
Yeah,
Perez
you know
is the hero of his own story.
huh?
He's the hero of his
Yeah,
own
but
story.
you know, like you take such a big step without like being all deceitful and everything. You know what could the consequences be, and like all of them knew, okay, we could be fired because of it. But yet they still went through with it. That just tells us the fact that how sick and tired of UEFA and FIFA,
and
everyone
all
else
these
is.
problems.
Yeah,
I don't know if I buy
No, but
this.
Perez-
A
but
lot of them
Perez
said
ka-
that
I don't
this
know
year,
if
if they didn't get this money this year, a lot of them would be bankrupt. A lot of these clubs.
Yeah, but they need to understand that they need to
It's not just them.
learn how
Yeah.
to play with their balance sheets. Like they need to learn to be sustainable. It's not like they have less
Yeah,
money.
but what are they
and
supposed to
this
do?
pandemic, sorry, but this pandemic is not the cause of Barcelona being in such a mess or Real
Exactly.
Madrid being in such a mess. It's their own doing for years, the way they've operated. It's been
But
horrible.
transfers-
But to
They've-
regulate stuff
they
like that,
haven't
you
been-
need to enforce financial fair play, and you need to enforce it across the board. You can't have clubs like PSG and Man City spending as much as they
I
want,
want to go
and
on
then
Bakar
there's no
was trying to make a point.
nothing's
or
you know they don't
you
say
were-
anything
I was
about
just
them.
saying that I don't know if I buy this
Yeah.
players and managers weren't consulted thing. I think it's just we're just assuming that because they're like, oh, we don't know, which was probably what they might have been told to say. But to think that because I know
Yeah.
owners and managers meet often and maybe even more often after watching these documentaries, the City documentary, the Tottenham
Bakar, I don't
documentary.
believe this.
No,
Now,
But to
Bakar-
say that
Bakar,
they had
the
no
thing is-
idea,
Yeah,
they weren't.
no.
Bakar-
So what happened? So
Bakar,
exactly
no,
what
no
happened
one said
was.
no. Sorry,
what
but
exact-
I have to interrupt this. It's wrong the way he's putting it out there. No one said.
stop touching the mic.
Sorry. No one said that they're wrong. They weren't consulted or anything. They all said that we aren't aware of the full मतलब जो
scope of
बात
the
हुई
plan.
है, scope हुई and all that stuff.
Klopp
But a lot of them
And-
said
and-
they
Klopp,
found out
Pep even said
yesterday.
that. Pep said I'm not aware of it all.
and I-
Completely.
So that's the
They're
thing.
not-
Do we believe them? Do we
Excellent.
believe them?
Excellent. One at a time.
Because
Everyone had the idea.
every coach, owner, player said the same thing that they were.
But why
aware.
wouldn't they say that?
They were aware. Why? Look,
I'd like to add one thing
on
to this.
I think you're being too skeptical.
On
Yeah.
such
Yeah,
a,
of course
on,
I am, but I'm just saying I just don't buy it.
on such a huge. Okay, that's fine, but on such a huge level. Everybody posting out their stories and saying that we're against this and just flat out saying it, the tone and the body language in which they're saying it, you'd have to be like Johnny Depp level actor to
No,
do
I
that
think
kind of
I
thing.
think what you're missing
Or,
is what you're missing is that this isn't like a small hidden thing or like a tiny amendment people are doing to their seasons. This has been being talked about for 8-9 years. It's been in the pipeline for 8-9
But
years.
you know-
and
Yes, but nobody knew that they were going to do it in this manner and just
no
say
one knew
that.
they're all so six
Bakar,
clubs.
it's
Six
a
clubs,
football-
all their executives
and
knew to talk to each other. Six clubs talk to each other. They put out
Bakar,
a
the
joint
thing is-
statement.
Yeah, but the coach,
And
the
the
coach,
coaches didn't
the
know.
coach and players aren't involved in executive.
Yeah, but do you
management
think that-
decisions.
Okay.
Yes, that is,
I want to add one
hard
thing
to
to it.
believe.
I just want to reply to Bakar. The thing is that how many times is John Henry or one of the Glazers on the pitch or like seeing the matches?
Kroenke तो होता ही नहीं है भाई.
Kroenke is never there.
Kroenke तो एक match
so,
देगा
so,
उसमें,
so
history
the I just want to complete the time that let's say a manager gets with an owner is very scarce. I think Glazers have watched a match maybe like the City क्या नाम है उसका?
No, John Henry hasn't watched it.
Huh?
Sheikh
Sheikh
Mansour.
Mansour.
Sheikh Mansour's been he's just been here to watch one match in 10 years.
They don't talk
Glazers
on the
are there
Same with
stands.
as well.
Kroenke. Same
So
with
They
Kroenke.
don't talk in the stands. Do you think?
Yeah.
Do you think there's no communication?
No,
There?
but
You
there's-
see the Spurs
there's a-
documentary.
there's a difference.
Levy was sitting in
Bro,
the
there's a
training ground
difference
every
now.
day.
Mexican. There's a
Sheikh
difference.
Mansour's on the phone with Guardiola every day. And these 6 clubs put out a joint statement together.
Khaldoon
There
and
was
Mubarak
definitely
looked after the
conversations.
operations.
The coaches might have disagreed.
not the
But it's
Not Mansoor, Khaldoon Al Mubarak.
Maybe
looked
he
after
was.
operations.
But there's no
Woodward looks
communication
after
gap here.
I think if
Arsenal का Vinay looks after the operations,
Exactly.
not
So I could
Kroenke.
respect
Na,
them
Edwards
to,
है
like, be
कुछ
there.
करता है.
And plus you don't need the manager because these are board decisions, right? Of this sort.
Yeah,
So you
exactly.
kind of really don't need the managers to be there. And especially in this day and age, this is not 20 years back when, you know, Sir Alex Ferguson was consulted on everything. Or
Ferguson
Wenger-
or
And this is a
Wenger
business,
wale-
and this is a
managers
completely
to-
business move.
Yeah,
This is
it-
not football
that all
related.
is
Klopp
true,
isn't
but
involved.
we're
The
being
football
kind-
players are not
We're
involved in
being
this
kind
move.
to managers for no reason. That's all true. But
why does this have anything to do with being kind to managers? It has nothing to do with them in the first
Because
place.
it does. Because it's going to be where they're going to be managing the other. You know what it said? We're all in talks to.
I disagree with
Go
you.
into this Super League.
Okay.
And we're going to start as soon as possible. You're going to say,
Okay,
you're going to tell your manager
I just
that you're
wanna
going to
say
be
one
out of
thing.
one competition and another the next year.
अच्छा बकर एक सेकंड खान Mourinho he was sacked the very उसी दिन हुआ था
the
next day
Yeah.
so हाँ so वो सुपर लीग की वजह से हुआ
So
था
there's two
And
possibilities.
he would have
One,
come out and said
if we,
something.
He
if,
hasn't said
if we,
Someone would have come out and said
Mourinho, okay, hold
players-
on.
if all
Mourinho was on record saying before
Yeah.
the sacking, like maybe
Yeah.
3 years before, that he's completely against the Super League. Now maybe there's two possibilities here. Maybe he was
Yeah.
consulted about the statement and he's like, dude, I'm not going to be in favor
Maybe
of this. And
this
they took him
made
out.
them sign non-disclosure
Yeah,
agreements.
like, and I
Klopp ने
think
भी वो बोला था
Yeah.
last year
Klopp said it last year.
Klopp said it
maybe,
last year too.
maybe, but on the other hand, it could have just been like, oh, this is a good time to sack him because there's so much news out there. It's not going to be a big deal. We're not going to be castrated for it.
My argument against this, just a second. My argument against this is that if you let so many players know, so all the players in every team knows about it, every coach knows about it, it's going to leak.
Leak,
It's gonna
definitely.
leak.
And it
Solskjaer
didn't.
knows, Ferdinand knows, Neville. It's not possible.
Someone would have said something.
Leak
Yeah,
है
exactly.
bro उसी वक्त
Exactly.
And I think
I don't
the
think players
question
knew. I thought managers knew.
I think the question here, okay, on that, I think the question here isn't whether the managers knew or we believe the managers knew or do we believe the facade they put on when they were all disappointed. I think the question is, do we believe that these owners had the audacity to pull something off like this and expect their club and managers to just follow suit within the next 4 months
This
in
is
August?
why I don't believe
And
it. Exactly.
I believe they do.
Yeah.
Look at these
100%.
owners. Look at
They
what
do.
they've
They
done
literally did it.
in their that's what
Yeah,
we're
basically-
Listen, and the thing
the
is,
audacity.
Klopp,
Jurgen
I'd
Klopp
like to-
has a really good relationship with John Henry.
It doesn't matter.
You think he's like, just one thing I want
It
to
doesn't matter.
relationship
John
doesn't
Henry's
matter.
John.
It has
oh,
the
उसका-
whole thing has nothing
Yeah.
to do with the managers or the players.
John Henry
Klopp उसके
Glazers
चाचे का बेटा तो नहीं?
John Henry Glazers Daniel Levy और FSG Kroenke ये सारे अमेरिकन्स हैं दे बिलीव
Yeah.
ऑन द फ्रेंचाइज वाला जो नहीं है NFL NBA उधर यही चलता है दे डोंट उनका जो फैंस वाला रिलेशनशिप है ना इंग्लैंड और स्पेन और इटली में वो अमेरिका में नहीं होता उधर अगर फैंस कुछ पंगे करे उठा के दूसरी जगह टीम ले जाते हैं वो
It was.
so
it was.
they believe in that
I'll
model.
tell you
It
what-
was need to know,
I'll tell
and
you
they
what
felt the
basketball
managers
player
didn't
from
need
the
to
New
know.
York Knicks, Patrick Ewing, right? So they kicked Patrick Ewing out. The owner kicked him out because he was disagreeing with their things. So that kind of authority is there in basketball. Los Angeles Lakers didn't always used to play in LA. Right? They shifted in the 60s and 70s. So this kind of model is like they're accustomed to it. So I do understand. And I strongly disagree with the managers and players would know about it because, you know, it
I'm
came
not
out of the
saying
blue
players
as well.
knew anything.
Even if the managers and players did know about it, I think they have no responsibility.
Of
They
course
have
not.
nothing
That's
to do with
besides the
it.
point.
So like
I'm
looking
saying
at them
that
is besides the point.
Huh,
completely.
definitely.
managers might have known and disagreed from the outset. But to say that 6 clubs all put a statement together and none of the managers have any ideas coming out, I think it's pretty inconceivable.
It's a
not
commercial
possible.
decision.
Listen, but I
It's a
think
commercial decision.
more than the fans, na, it's also the players and managers that took part in this stand and reversing the decision.
Henderson
So when
ने जो
so when
green
those
ball
players took those action and the owners realized कि भाई हमारे तो अपने भी हमारे साथ नहीं है, so how can we even take this forward when the fans तो
I
ठीक है you
think
can ignore them.
जब
देखो fans
public
का भी
outcry आती है ना तो फिर बड़ा आसान होता है बैक ट्रैक करना क्योंकि फिर आपके पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है मतलब everyone knew when this news came out that the public is against it. So what's the manager
more
going
than
to
the
do?
public,
Go against public
everyone's
opinion?
saying, every channel is saying
no, but
that
Klopp,
it's the
before this
players-
happened,
players
Klopp had
made
come
it
out
happen.
as well and said it.
I feel like government intervention
still
had a
won't-
lot
still
to
been
play with
against
it.
The same way, I guess maybe they didn't know just how much it would be opposed.
That's
Because the
what I
Champions
think.
League format had already come out. In the Champions League format, through guaranteeing people or bigger teams through the coefficient that they
उस पे
will
अभी
have.
बात करते हैं
Yes.
Champions League format का
Since-
proper अभी
Since that was
discussion करते हैं।
already declared, तो उनको शायद लगा होगा कि यार ये तो पहले से हो रहा है. तो अगर इन लोगों को पहले से गारंटीड यूरोपियन जगह उस पे कंपटीशन में जगह मिल रही है तो हमारे उस पे आइडिया पे इतनी अपोजिशन नहीं होनी चाहिए शायद.
And also a lot of clubs are on the fear of losing out as well.
Yeah.
You know, like Tottenham and Arsenal. They really
टॉटनम और
need,
आर्सेनल का पॉइंट ही नहीं बनता
they need the money as well. You know, you see 350 million you're going to get perhaps in August. Or
And a
September,
guaranteed
you're like,
no,
yeah, hell yeah.
and a guaranteed position every year.
Every
Like
year,
no,
every
you're just the top. You're just top.
आर्सेनल परेशान हो गया होगा. Or like, God damn it, we're being invited. Come on, दोनों हाथों से पकड़ो.
हाँ सही बात है भाई.
Exactly. Yeah.
Obviously.
अच्छा तो टॉटनम के साथ हुआ है ना, मजा टॉटनम.
Tottenham
I
का
think
बहुत
honestly
मजा है,
Tottenham are financially just done.
They thought that they're going to get some money, so they sacked Mourinho, and then the Super League's done.
और टॉटनम के वैसे ही इतने डेट में वो स्टेडियम और उसके बाद उनका
Yeah.
जो मेन कैश मॉडल था कि एनएफएल की गेम्स इधर करवाएंगे वो भी नहीं
और ऊपर से
होगी.
कोविड भी हो गया.
उसके बाद दे डन.
Look at the smile on Saad's face.
हाँ मैं बहुत खुश हूँ भाई. ये आर्सेनल भी ज्यादा वैसे पीछे
You're right
नहीं.
there with them.
आर्सेनल भी ज्यादा पीछे. अच्छा तो चैंपियंस लीग फॉर्मेट की बात कर लें
Yeah.
क्योंकि
समझाओ पहले जरा थोड़ा.
2024 में शुरू हो रहा है.
हाँ.
सो बेसिकली 36 टीम्स है. 32 से वो बढ़ा रहे हैं और जो यूएफा कोफिशिएंट होता है क्लब्स का ना बेसिकली ऑन देयर पास्ट 5 इयर्स यूरोप में किस तरह परफॉर्म किए उस हिसाब से उनकी रैंकिंग होती है. सो अब मैं आर्सेनल की एग्जांपल लेता हूँ. आर्सेनल अभी करंटली 12th रैंक है इन यूरोप और
Generous.
वेरी जेनरस ना. और 11th they're 11th in the
How they
Premier
get there?
they're 11th in the Premier
Premier
League.
League में 11th.
यार वेंगर एक मिनट वेंगर यूएफा के किसी रोल में है ना अभी आजकल.
इसलिए सुपर
भाई.
लीग बना रहे थे.
वेंगर ने सेट किया सब कुछ. अच्छा चलो वेंगर पे बाद में आएंगे. वेंगर के अगेंस्ट नहीं कोई बात करनी.
क्या playing 4D chess?
हाँ वेंगर.
फोर्थ प्लेस.
अच्छा मजे की बात है फोर्थ आने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. आर्सेनल और जो भी टॉप 6 क्लब्स है ना अगर टॉप 4 पूरी होगी एंड दे कम 6
He
7
must be
8
saying it in his French accent, you know, like I'm sick and tired of bringing them fourth.
हाँ अब 8th आओ और चैंपियंस लीग खेलो. बेसिकली यूएफा कोएफिशिएंट ये है.
So basically, it's the same thing what was happening before. Lekin people aren't upset about it because it's UEFA, and they want more money because they
But let him
can't.
explain what the thing is. I was hearing what he was saying.
No, but he's just
बस
saying.
हो गया ना. उसके बाद उन्होंने ग्रुप स्टेजेस खत्म करके हर टीम को गारंटी 10 मैचेस दे दिए.
Yeah, so there's a
So-
league with all the
हाँ.
teams
So
instead of the
I
group
heard
stages.
that there is going to be 2 simultaneous leagues and not 1 league.
I'm not sure on that.
Yeah.
अगर तुम्हें पता है तो बता दो.
I think it's one
So
league.
when I saw the image that they released, I heard it was 2 groups of whatever.
No, it's
36
one.
divided.
I think it's one league. What I read was it's one league,
Yeah.
and in that league, like each team plays 10 matches. You can't play more than that.
So that's
And,
what I
uh,
mean. It'll be divided into
No, but it won't because it's the same league, and then from that it's a points basis pay. Each you get into the next
But
round.
that, but that,
But then you can,
but-
yeah,
but
but
that-
it's a league system.
But that
So
wouldn't mathematically make sense if you only play 10 matches. Which teams do you?
You
decide
don't
who
play. Yeah, you don't play every team in the league. It's randomly assigned which teams you're playing in that league,
फिर
and
उसमें
then you
भी-
play them home and away.
फिर उसमें भी घपले होंगे.
Yeah, makes no sense, right?
So basically 5 teams.
That dodgy
Maybe it's
ball that
divided,
they take
yeah.
out, like God knows who knows what-
Hot
no,
and
and sometimes
cold.
it's hot and sometimes it's cold. Who knows?
Things are not there. One of the important things and why major outcry was there is that if they start franchising it and get outside the UEFA and FIFA ka shadow, they can move.
ये सुपर लीग की बात कर रहे हो.
Yeah. So how is it different? So they can take a club like Manchester United and move them to like Istanbul or Moscow or something like that. So countries won't lose it. So political clout khatam ho gaya, and fans won't lose their clubs as well, like local Manchester supporters. So udhar se wo cheez khatam hogi. So because of these two reasons, the outcry for Champions League naya format is probably a bit less because of it.
Interesting thing, European Super League नहीं थी. It was the Super League. It wasn't restricted to Europe.
You know what was also
तो Boca,
you know what was also
River
meant to be
Plate-
called the Super League.
Sorry?
The Premier League before it was made was also meant to be called the Super League. And
एक
they
तो पता नहीं हर
branded
चीज
it.
में सुपर डाल देते हैं ये.
Big green super, big green super.
Super Teddy.
वो कहते हैं ना फुटबॉल में हमेशा कहते हैं फुटबॉल 30 years के साइकिल्स में चलता है और 30 साल पहले भी यही हुआ था
Premier League.
और वो ब्रेक अवे हो गया अब ये चीज फिर से हो रही है.
I think the reason why, even though the Champions League format is absolute shit, this new
What's
one.
that 30 years?
New
like
one.
quality?
Yeah, the new one is. Thank you.
Dark.
Dark. Yeah,
33
dark.
years. अच्छा हाँ.
33 years.
I think the Champions League format is absolute shit as well. And the only reason why people are less, as Mustafa said, less outcry against this format is that it still has that meritocracy. You relegate, you get promoted, you're
Basic मसला जो था ना वो यही
basic
था.
it stays with the basic league pyramid. The only problem with this, actually, the biggest problem with this is that it's a fake version of the European Super League because you're just giving elite clubs, supposedly elite clubs,
With Spurs in it.
with Spurs, places in the Champions League when they don't deserve to be there.
Exactly.
Arsenal don't deserve to be
Why
there.
why wouldn't they give more spots to the Dutch league or the Portuguese
Ajax.
league or the Turkish league?
Ajax have Porto.
Ajax still has
Ajax-
to play
Ajax-
qualifiers, right? Yeah.
Ajax went to the semi-final. They went to semi-final, right?
Yeah.
They went to semi-final, and then next
Played the
season
qualifiers.
they had to play not one, two qualifiers.
Okay, well.
It's ridiculous. Yeah, it's so ridiculous.
And Ajax Amsterdam have how many Champions League do they already have European titles? They have 3 or 4, right?
yeah, they have,
With the new Champions League format, the clubs in some of these other leagues will get a chance to play. Like they'll, I think,
But not as
France,
much.
France gets another spot. A bunch
France
of
gets
leagues-
fourth,
Yeah.
but they deserve fourth.
So there'll be more teams in general playing. So there'll be more teams from other leagues playing. But the bigger teams who have been there longer will get a guaranteed spot.
But you know,
They
like
couldn't.
we need to evaluate. It's easy for us to criticize over here, but you know, like
इधर ही करेंगे criticize और
no,
किधर
but
करेंगे?
like for us, right? But the decision makers, you know, you have to balance between global appeal and being fair, right? And competition, and you have to take both of the things hand in hand. So on one side you have these big clubs who you have to give money because of the global appeal. On the other side you have to be fair as well. So you know,
But how can small clubs develop that global appeal if you don't give them that fair chance to do it?
yeah देखो अगर let's look at both the sides, right? If it becomes more fair, right, and smaller clubs come in and ये coefficient निकाल देते हैं and it's based on merit only, so then UEFA Champions League के अंदर or you'll be seeing a lot of smaller teams in, right? So bigger supporters, global reach नहीं होगी, television audiences decrease हो जाएंगी, उसकी वजह से sponsors कम पैसे दिया करेंगे.
Yeah, लेकिन on the other hand,
And-
for example, Red Star Belgrade अगर Madrid से खेलेगी, तो it'll be good for that smaller club as well, ना?
Yeah,
This is the whole problem, na? Like,
but that's you have
the
to
big
make
clubs
the
are like, we
balance.
generate 85%
More
of the
efficient.
revenue, give us the control and the money.
हाँ नहीं, I
Give us
agree
that
with
much,
that.
but
Yeah.
so that,
तो वो एक business आ जाता है और एक फिर हम football fans आ जाते हैं,
and
तो वो
you need
कभी भी
both
mingle नहीं
for
कर
football to be
सकते.
successful.
does anybody not like the current Champions League format here? Everyone likes it.
I don't like it.
You like the
I mean,
current
it's-
one?
No.
क्या
Compared to
चाहते हो
what?
तुम?
Again, it's the same issue. They give too many places to all the top 4 leagues. You rarely get to see new teams come in and play.
You
and-
think it should just be 4 spots from every league?
Yeah. 4 spots.
But like,
from
does it
every
make
league.
sense to give 4 spots to the Belgian league and then
No, not necessarily the Belgian league, but whichever league has been representing, like Dutch league or.
नहीं, Dutch league में भी PSV एक है और एक Ajax है.
Yeah, but
और कौन है?
historically they have been performing in the European Cup and the Champions
but
League.
it's mostly
Fire
an
more
Ajax.
का मकसद
in
भी है ना
some-
कि वो performances पे merit आपको देते हैं कि क्या तक आपको आना चाहिए.
Yeah, but in the last few years since the 90s, in my opinion, the coefficients have been rigged. It's been promoting English clubs, Italian clubs, and Spanish clubs again and again and again. I remember one season.
Isn't that because they did better in the competition?
No, I remember. I don't know. Maybe it's a conspiracy theory or not. But in the which final was Chelsea and Manchester United?
7.
2008. No,
Seven,
no.
seven.
708. 708.
No idea, I just erased that from my mind.
Okay.
2007, 2008.
The game never
So
happened.
in the 08 final Champions League, it was an all English final. Okay.
Terry.
In the 08.
Still have nightmares.
Sorry, Mustafa slipped.
Yeah. In the 08 Champions
You
League,
shouldn't say slip out loud.
the
Yeah, I shouldn't.
Anyways, let him speak.
in the 08 लगा लिया in the 08 कराची से आने वाले अच्छा in the 08 Champions League final it was an all English final, okay, and I read somewhere that that time who was the president, I think it was Platini, he didn't want another all English final, which is why literally you can even see it in that Chelsea match against Barcelona in which they were
Oh भाई.
robbed from
Robbed.
their position in the
Robbed.
final.
Yeah.
So it's rigged. Like if you're basically trying to work against a rigged system, and there are so many flaws in their management style and their economics, and it's not even a sanction. It's like it's not a commissioned government or anything.
Is that the fault of the format या वो governing bodies की fault?
The governing body decides the format, right?
हाँ नहीं तो format की बात कर रहे हैं ना. अब government वो जो भी format लाएं governing body तो same ही होगी.
Yeah,
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying.
है ना. I just want to add one thing to. I'm sorry, I'm cutting you, but the local league format has a few flaws in it. Let's say Ajax or the Dutch league, right? If we can't see matches, say it's not globally available for everyone to see. Their leagues, their FAs, football associations don't invest as much money in it. So to hold accountable UEFA for local leagues not performing as well, they need to make sure that their teams are getting enough money to be competitive with other leagues like the Premier League or the La Liga. You understand what I'm saying?
Okay,
It's not just
I'm
European
going to take you
competition.
back to the 2010s. ठीक है ना? Let's be honest.
Yeah.
None of us used to follow Dortmund. Okay? Probably not even the other
I think in 2008 they were relegated or something.
in the German league.
Yeah.
कोई bank
Whatever.
कोई scene था
Yeah.
बाहर
That's
bank
the,
था।
so that's the whole point. I don't even know the history beyond whenever they became popular.
Yeah.
So when they were given a fair chance in the Champions League,
Yeah.
ठीक है ना? That's when things started happening for
But bro,
them.
that
They
was
got-
through their.
no, they
sorry,
were
but that was
doing
through
well.
their league because
They were playing Juventus in the semi-finals in
but
98,
that's the thing. We didn't
99.
have. Look at the perspective from us. We're international fans. ठीक है ना? We don't have the most we had access to was La Liga, Serie A, and Serie A even rarely, and Premier
नहीं
League.
एक्चुअली वैसे सीरिया ज्यादा आती थी ला लीगा से
Chalo, La Liga rarely. ठीक है ना? But like these three leagues.
Yeah.
And then when Dortmund started performing, Bayern started killing it in the Champions League. Then we started seeing, and I see Dutch league now.
Yeah.
Geo Sports pe aata tha Dutch league.
Uh-huh.
Can you imagine? So that's how it works. That's how. So if you don't get to see them on that big stage enough, why would the broadcasters want to push for
you know
their league to
but
be
the
broadcasted
thing is
globally?
kind of for me, right? Like you're
you
right.
must
I
say
completely
local,
agree.
it's
कि
local है.
उस तरह नहीं है कि नाम इस तरह बन गया football wise. Like football is such a it's a simple sport made too complex and वो ना in the sense कि everyone is good at it. ठीक है? ये नहीं like your
Yeah.
point ना कि Dutch league में भी अच्छे players हैं and team
Yeah.
है. But the thing is कि they don't compete to the level. They don't compete to the level of you know.
Yeah, ये local
Premier
FA
League and
समझ
all
गया
that,
ना?
like-
No, that's what I'm
That-
saying. I think
It's just the level difference is too much. Like
How
I
can
agree
we-
that you need to
Yeah,
give them
but-
certain spots, but to say that they're on par with the Spanish league and all German
But
league is
how
different
can we know?
because the
How,
German
but how can we make that fair assessment if we don't watch them regularly?
Correct, they have to improve their own quality.
I think we
You
arguing
can't
this
expect
point-
them. अगर वो UEFA में Champions League में ज़्यादा भी आने लग जाए ना छोटे club, it's
हाँ,
not going to do
exactly.
them any good if their local television broadcasting is not, if their global reach is not enough, they won't get.
But
the money.
how can they get that global reach when they don't? The Champions League is the opportunity for them to get that global reach. If they're not being given that opportunity, and if not,
You know why?
if they don't
why
get that
English game
opportunity,
progressed? English game progressed because in the 90s they made the Premier League. FA, the Football Association, invested in the league.
English
They-
Premier League always had an
Ro-
advantage because it's an English language league.
Exactly.
ठीक है ना? So that is a given. We can't talk about them in perspectives of this because
No, but hold on.
they will.
Serie A and the La Liga were above in viewership of the Premier League of the football league until they made the Premier League.
Yeah.
So they were always it was
Yeah,
always in English. What they did was they rebranded it.
Yeah.
They broke away.
Yeah.
They invited investors.
But I'm saying
Production,
the
investors,
production
they
and
invested in
television.
they did
that.
all those
Locally-
things, but the reason
locally come.
why it still had that attraction, people picked it up, is because it was universal. In my opinion, it was
No, but
universal
hold on,
language.
like how,
Uh,
think about
if you-
Spanish league though. Like that's most of South America.
Yeah.
So I don't think the language makes that big a difference.
प्रोडक्शन वो इंग्लिश में भी कर सकते थे फॉर इंटरनेशनल व्यूअर्स
Yeah,
अभी
Right,
कर
the
रहे
money
हैं,
invested
अभी
in
कर रहे
it-
हैं,
the money
अभी कर
invested
रहे
in
हैं।
it was
इधर
too
एक
much.
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ याद करने की ये है कि जब 80s के अंदर आफ्टर Hillsborough and everything, English league was really down.
Yeah.
And then in the 90s, what happened was that they were winning trophies, whatever, but like they basically were afraid of putting their. So what happened was there was no TV access whatsoever there. Why? Because at that time, English fans were hooligans. There was a lot of racism. There was cracks in the stadiums. There was no infrastructure. So they're like, we can't televise this, and they were afraid कि अगर हम televise करेंगे game पे कोई नहीं आएगा.
Absolutely, you're
And then,
spot on.
then they made the Premier League, and they're like, we're going to fix everything. We're going to make broadcasts. We're going to fix the stadiums, and whatever money we're going to make,
Government invested.
we're going to
the
reinvest
English
in it.
government invested
And the
in
FA,
football
which is a
stadiums.
very corrupt and selfish company, succeeded rights to the Premier League. There's a quote over there. It's called the Taylor Report, which did a research on all these stadiums. So when they finished the Taylor Report, the FA was like, we're going to give the power to the clubs. And the clubs were like, tell us, FA, how many clubs should we have in the Premier League? And he's like, it's your league, you decide. And yes, it was made out of greed, but that greed was reinvested into the Premier League, made it a great product. And then,
I'd like to add on to it. There's still a lot of things the government invests in football, like security, and there are a lot of other expenses जो कि subsidized होते हैं, NOCs, so to allow the matches to go on through. In other leagues, you don't get that kind of government support, like the Dutch.
NOCs की तो पाकिस्तान में बात ना करो.
But the governments over there are not investing as much, and that's why their leagues are being lagging behind. Champions League is one of an opportunity. I do agree with you 100%, but that's not just the only solution.
I'll give it to you there. Like
Yeah.
Italy, Spain, they were very late to the party to what the Premier League did.
Absolutely.
And because of that, they lost a lot of international recognition as well. Up, they're becoming more modern and all those kind of things. But yeah, they were very late to it. My whole point is that the Champions League shouldn't be, I mean, it's very idyllic, but it shouldn't be about, making sure the big clubs, the ones who are raking in all the money, stay there.
but
And
Tariq, think about the Champions
I
League.
think they
right?
have
the
to.
Champions League came from the European Cup for
Yeah.
this reason, so the big clubs could take everything.
I know, but I'm saying there should be at least a balance there, na? Right now, the whole balance is shifted towards big clubs staying in there, playing repetitive matches.
There's two things they can do here, right? Either they say that only the champions from every league plays each other, or they say exactly. Or they say that we want the best teams to play each other often. If they say that we want the best teams from every league to play each other often, they have to take into account that some leagues are better than other leagues, and to facilitate that, to make sure that the teams, the best teams are playing each other often, they need some sort of coefficient to make sure that the teams that are the leagues that are better have more representation.
I don't have too much of a problem with the format. I have more of a problem towards UEFA's financial transparency. How match day revenues किस तरह divide होते हैं, kitty किस तरह मिलती है. Like, I think
Perez made
you win the Champions League at 30-40 million.
Perez made that point as well. He's like everyone
UEFA
in the,
gives the majority
everyone
of
in
the
the
share.
NBA knows each other's salary. It's very public information. Why isn't the UEFA's president's salary public knowledge?
And FIFA has been known for corruption.
And it's not like we don't know UEFA's corrupt. It's like everyone knows.
Everyone knows. Nawaz Sharif type scene है, सबको पता है.
And they come out like हम ये नहीं करने देंगे, हम वो नहीं करने देंगे, जैसे अच्छा तुम बड़े सके हो.
It was ballsy because the government supported. Like जब वेस्टमिंस्टर में डिस्कस हो रहा था कि we're not going to do anything. भाई ग्राउंड्स की NOCs ही नहीं देंगे, मैच ही नहीं अलाउ करेंगे आप लोगों को. किस तरह
और
खेलोगे?
वो भी उन्होंने कहा आग के ऊपर और तेल छिड़को ना, ये हम तो होने नहीं देंगे, इंटरनेशनली नहीं खेलने देंगे प्लेयर्स को.
गवर्नमेंट इंटरवेंशन बहुत ज्यादा थी, तो फिर जाहिर बात है यूएफए और फीफा ने भी शेयर होना था. It just goes with the
And there's so much money changing hands with the way transfers work now, players' salaries and everything. Like in the past, a club like Tottenham would have maybe 1 or 2 players on a huge wage bill, like Harry Kane level wage bill. And now almost, I mean, not the whole 11, but like more than half of the players have this huge wage bill. And a club like Tottenham that doesn't win crap can't sustain that for too long.
That's why, like
And another thing that I was watching an interview, and John Barnes, former Liverpool player, he pointed, he pointed out. I've forgotten what I found.
चलो खैर
Was
यार.
it
John
good
Barnes,
morning,
let me
good
finish
morning,
that.
good
Tariq, let me finish
Notes, he
that.
ran out. He said the whole page. He's like, I got nothing else.
Tariq, let me finish that for you. Ladies and gentlemen, John Barnes didn't say anything. He did. He did his talking on the pitch. He was a baller. Go YouTube. That's end of story.
what do you guys think about the salary cap?
I remember.
Salary cap.
Please let him. Let
Yeah,
him
then
speak.
I'll propose. Yeah. Go ahead.
So John Barnes said, or it was John Barnes, probably somebody else. But the point is that clubs are taking a lot of debt on, lines of credit on, and they're using it for salaries and for transfers, when they should be using it to upgrade their facility, improve their scouting network or whatever. And because they use it for transfers, a lot of that is wasted as well, because players always don't work out. Look at Manchester United. All right. What do you want? Look at Di Maria.
Look at AC Milan. Huh? Why can't you just say AC Milan? Like, why do you have to say Manchester?
AC मिलान कहाँ से ट्रांसफर्स करती है यार, उन्हें इस पे छोड़ दो.
बेचारे लोन पे लेके.
अच्छा कह दो यार ग्लेजर्स को.
उनका टॉप स्कोरर 40 साल का है.
Yeah. हमारे पास भी था वो.
So when they take those lines of credit and it doesn't like it doesn't turn over for them. It doesn't work out well for them. They're just stuck with all that debt, and that's what's been happening to Barca. Walid pointed out that their problems aren't because of the pandemic. When they started losing to Madrid won three Champions Leagues in a row. They were just like crazy. Bartomeu went crazy. He's like, what do we do now? And they bought all these. They bought Coutinho. They bought, what was that guy from Roma? I don't even remember his name. And they just wasted all that money on that. And they bought it all through debt. And now they have to pay that debt, which is why they're still in the European Super League right now.
That's Justin, PSG president Nasser Al Khalifi has been elected as new ECA president.
ये Agnelli ने resign किया था ना?
I thought Bayern का guy was...
नहीं.
You know what?
Romano reported it.
And PSG are gonna get a lot of favorable stuff in the future. Like scene on है.
तो scene on है.
जीत ही जाए PSG. Okay, so yeah, what do you guys think about a wage bill cap?
Do you mean like a uniform uniform wage bill? There's a ceiling to it?
Yeah.
But then that only applies to like the top clubs, right?
No, like everyone, because that way everyone's going to be financially responsible.
It won't be a progressive cap, like if you earn less.
I
the
mean,
cap
lower
will be
teams
lower.
will still
Then you
be
can
able
also have
to.
the luxury tax that like they do in
Lower teams will still be
basketball.
able to be financially irresponsible because
Yeah,
they'll
let's
never
say,
hit the wage.
I'll just give you an example. Like you can have, let's say, 2 million pay cap. Say, yeah? So the smaller clubs also have a 2 million cap, and the bigger ones also have a 2 million. And you have to manage the wages in this.
पूरे squad
Right,
का उसके
right. But
अंदर
the smaller teams can take on a bunch of debt and still not hit the 2 million cap. Is my point. The way financial fair play worked
Unless
was,
they're no, but
was that
unless they're
teams.
owned by, unless an owner comes in willing to do that, मतलब fair इस तरह हो जाता है कि then like let's say
ऐसे
Newcastle,
debt नहीं दे देते ना, वो किसी
Newcastle's
को
takeover, right? Newcastle's takeover, ठीक है वो भी just by the way तुम लोग corruption हो क्या how bad was the Premier League with that?
that
The Premier League robbed Newcastle. Anyways,
robbed them.
तो अच्छा Newcastle के in a world where they get taken over and stuff, so this wage cap could help them कि
What are
the
we
guy
trying
with
to do?
the
Are we
money
trying
coming.
to make sure certain teams just don't buy like crazy? Is that what we're trying to do? So why not just ban transfer, just do trades?
No, we don't want
नहीं,
that.
नहीं,
We're
Why
not
can you? Why
trades.
should you be able to buy?
है
on
ना
a
ये
quality-
but
अमरीकी है ना
generally no.
अमरीकी है ना
Like,
शिकागो जाओ यार
No,
वहाँ पे।
I'm not in favor
मैंने
of
जो भी
this.
डाल रहा था ये कह रहा था
नहीं,
कि
मैं-
ये बात
मैं-
ठीक है
I'm not saying
प्लेयरों
I'm in-
की गलती है
I'm not saying I'm in favor of this. I'm just saying what are we trying to accomplish?
No, but ये मैं कह रहा हूँ कि मुझे भी I'm not in favor of the wage thing in football.
neither,
मैं
yeah.
भी नहीं, like I'm just saying explaining to him कि that's how it works. Like if Newcastle
I
वाला scene है,
think the
so
wage
they
cap
can do it.
would help in negotiating a player staying at his club. Like, for example, let's say Declan Rice is.
राइस का मेंशन जरूर है।
Declan Rice.
Let's say his contract.
Father.
His contract is finishing up at West Ham, okay, and he's on let's say 100,000 a week.
Guess where he's heading?
Chelsea or Man City because they
Man
can,
City.
or because they can give him 300,000 a week, and West Ham can't. So a wage cap would help that in negotiating.
It
him
would
to
Exactly.
stay
Yeah, that
at
would be
West
good.
Ham.
It
That's
would
a
be
good
good.
point. Yeah.
It is, like, as you said, कि United has the money, but their wage cap does not allow it, so नहीं जाएगा player. So that's a great thing.
उसने यूनाइटेड नहीं बोला था लेकिन चलो
चलो.
Opposing point to the wage cap as well.
Yeah.
Is that won't it then? Do you feel it
Yeah.
de-incentivize the quality of the players in the league?
And also, like, wage caps have to be
No,
proportional to-
it won't.
Sports is 20-25 million a year, which is kind of as big as the contracts that are over here.
Yeah, but it won't, right? Because
if you tell one day KDB that he can't earn 400,000 a week, he has to go back to 200.
but that's देखो एक मिनट अच्छा I'll give you एक मिनट let me एक मिनट
If he realizes that I want
I'll give you an example. If KDB is if
वो
the
चाइना
club
चला
feels,
जाए
वो चाइना चला जाए.
if the club feels that KDB is an important piece, that he is deserving of, let's say, 300,000 or 400,000, that they might get rid of like a Fabian Delph or something like a Gundogan जिसकी 150 या 200 की है, just to make room for कि वो बंदा रहे. That's a decision that the clubs will then
नहीं,
have.
लेकिन
Are
that's
you
the thing
saying?
now,
Are you
bro.
saying? Are you saying there should be a cap, as in like a quota for each club, or a cap per player?
Yeah, nahin,
Total for the club.
Oh,
for the whole
oh,
For the
squad.
club. But bro, that's what I'm trying to say.
So
That's-
then you can allocate which player gets
Exactly.
more, which player gets
but
less.
that's the thing. That's the thing. It can't work in football
Yeah.
because the thing is,
No, but is that
football.
working anywhere? Because wage
No,
caps
it
ज़्यादा
doesn't.
मैंने सुना है individual wage caps होते हैं.
नहीं
Yeah.
नहीं वो नहीं होता.
Personal wage तो कहीं भी नहीं होता.
No,
Yeah.
it's
वो basically
much
वो
more
basic
complex structure to it.
what basically Mustafa is saying कि एक budget दे दिया जाए, इतना आपका budget है, इसके अंदर आपने
जो Super League में था ना 55% of
हाँ.
300 million.
लेकिन उसमें यही मसला है ना कि you start picking and choosing कि अच्छा I'll get what 2 players who earn tons and then the rest of the team I maybe won't get like as good. But you want everyone.
It's kind of like how we do our FPL draft. Like
so
we
basic,
pick-
basically वो
You
Tottenham आ जाएगी, Kane और Son और
Exactly.
बाकी
No, but
सारे
no,
average players.
no, but there's a thing ना कि this could improve the quality इस तरह कि just like in the NBA, like you have certain players, but then they develop through playing in the big stages along these pieces, right? And then they can be, and it helps football a lot. Like I'm sure there are a lot of great players, young players who don't get the chance इस तरह, which they would. But at the same time, I don't think कि उस तरह like the appeal फिर थोड़ा चला जाएगा.
Yeah,
You know?
exactly. I think
And
football
I
में-
think football is just for like you can't
Yeah.
change it. I don't think it's a big change.
There's so many players in general that we don't mind teams trying to put together super teams because 3 or 4 teams will try to put together super teams and they'll still be competitive.
Exactly.
और-
yeah.
और-
And no, even then they'll have an upset on.
Exactly.
Sorry, Sadi, go on.
उसके बाद सिर्फ यूरोपियन नहीं है ना प्लेयर के कि अच्छा इतना कम कमा रहा हूँ मैं चाइना चला जाता हूँ मैं कतर चला जाता हूँ मुझे
Yeah, but then
500
again, you know,
दे
like
दें।
that's very rare. Like Chelsea के कुछ players हैं, Oscar Shosker type जो चले जाते हैं, but you know like
Fellaini किधर?
हाँ?
Fellaini.
Fellaini हमने निकाल दिया तो उसे।
हाँ, मैंने याद है। उसने छोड़ दिया था डाइंग क्लब को।
Fellaini ने छोड़ा था सोचो
Bro,
Fellaini ने छोड़ा
Fellaini ने जितना तुम लोगों को बचाया था ना एक सीजन
बाहर
हमेशा
पोस्ट में हेडर मारता था
स्ट्राइकर Fellaini 80 minutes 1 down striker
midfielder,
लेकिन ये
सब
सब तो you guys we all talked about like the business and all that stuff, right? The owners and stuff point of view. So what about the Champions League in general? Like, don't you guys feel a sentiment to it where you'd feel like didn't you feel off that okay no more Champions League? Like
Yeah,
I think
भाई,
because for
yeah.
me right it was
उसका जो anthem है ना
bro but
मैं तो वही miss करने
वही
लग
ना
गया
no
था।
but the thing is
मैं
right
तो वैसे
ठीक है,
अभी भी
like
miss
UEFA
करता
and
हूँ
all them they're
Europa।
corrupt ठीक है, it's like a bad versus bad thing that was going on. Like we just chose a side because football it's already destroyed but it was going to a really bad place if this happened.
I like the Champions League.
Yeah,
man. I like how
and then
it
there's
is.
so many
I wouldn't
sentiments to
change
it, like you know the late night matches, weekdays and stuff for past where we had it.
If you don't cap it now, उसको खत्म कर दिया ना।
They need khair go on. Man.
If you don't cap it now, all the sports are in some one way or the other trying to do it. F1's brought it in, basketball's been doing it for a while because there's no end to it, na. Wages.
We're not talking about wages anymore, bro.
Come on, man. Like, I want.
तुम मोबाइल में थे सेंटिमेंट
I
की
was just
बात
talking,
कर
I was
रहे
just talking about the Champions League in general, like the sentiment, like, but we don't want it gone, nice तरह. Like it's a big deal for us.
Like,
in our
maybe you
lives.
wouldn't
like
want
we
it
grew
gone.
up watching it, you know.
But at the same time, if I still had the Premier League and this other league was competitive and they were playing like
नहीं,
week in, week
competitive.
out,
Everybody says
Milan,
that.
PSG, Real Madrid.
You know the
all
thing is,
these-
you wouldn't have the Premier League because once this came into play, you know how they'd go about it. Weekdays पे they were saying if we were playing Wednesday को like Barcelona versus Liverpool हो रहा है, तो of the week Premier League पे जो भी match था, they treat it like FA Cup match.
The new Champions League format,
I have
something
okay.
similar
Ian
will
Wright
start
वाला
to
quote
happen
दो
on
ना।
the new Champions League format as well,
Yeah.
right? Because some games will become obsolete for these teams because they'll know अगले season में we're in the Champions League no matter
I
what.
think ये Carabao Cup हटा
Yeah,
दे।
I think
Look,
Super League was.
Ian
वो वैसी finalist पर जीत ना जाए
Ian Wright said in a
हाँ,
video on Twitter,
legend.
he said it, yeah, legend, Arsenal legend.
Yeah.
I'll give it to you.
But
But
no one selected him in his all-time Premier League team, but okay.
we haven't had one
All
yet.
time
We
मैंने
didn't have
देखा
an
नहीं
all-time.
हुआ अब उसे खेलते हुए
We haven't had one yet.
okay, he put it beautifully. He said that he played AC Milan once or twice in his career, and he said it's one of the most memorable moments of his career because it was a spectacle. He looked forward to it, and it's something that he can look back on. So I get what you're saying. Like, there is a lot of sentiment attached to it. I mean, we grew up watching it. We don't know what the European Cup
Bro, I've
is.
had my heart broken so many times.
Yeah.
Like I remember this one time we came back and
Same here.
Chelsea, Lampard, bang, and I'm just
Same
crying.
here. I think between
So-
between
But they were
2006 and
good memories, they were
2007,
good
between
memories.
2006 and 2007, we've like had a very rocky road.
Yeah.
Like 1 year. we
Remember the
lost, 1
Barcelona,
yeah.
Kevin Prince Boateng, what he
Yeah.
did to him, Pato and everyone.
So, but on that note, I do have a question. Like, I know a lot of us watch other teams as well because we love some of the players. Like, we all like Neymar and Mbappe, so we watch PSG matches as well.
I like Neymar.
I love him.
Some of us like other
Love
players
him.
as well. All right.
Maximan.
So if in a Super League, if these players were playing regularly against your team, and all these super players were playing regularly in one match fixture, wouldn't you watch it even if it was?
I would
we're
watch
not-
it,
we're not
लेकिन
lying.
आर्सेनल है भाई, जितनी मार
नहीं।
पड़नी थी ना उसे मैं शायद छोड़
मसला
ही
ये है ना
देता.
तारिक के everyone would watch it. You'd be lying if you said you didn't. ठीक है, everyone would. But at the same time, the fixture का वो magnitude, you know, एक साल में आते हैं ना,
That's
like when
exactly it,
like when we played Madrid now, right? And we lost. But the thing is, when Real Madrid was, you know, it was like Real Madrid versus Liverpool. बंदा वो हो जाता कि यार wow, like this is happening.
So you're
This would
saying-
be
so
a-
you're saying-
this would literally be like I've missed a Premier League game, right? Where it's been Liverpool versus Arsenal sometimes. ठीक है, I'm out somewhere. अभी ठीक है, second like आ जाएगा, हो जाएगा. वैसे कह रहा हूँ ना.
Wow.
Example दे रहा हूँ ना. Example दे रहा हूँ like sometimes.
Shirt पहन के आ गया.
Sometimes.
This is exactly what I was
But
saying.
sometimes,
that
but
you
yeah,
can't
but
normalize
this
it.
with this game जब तुम देखते हो तुम कहते हो यार ये तो कभी नहीं होता. Like क्या पता होगा नहीं होगा.
But okay, but remember that year when we had like 4 El Clasicos in the space of 4 weeks? Like they had Copa del Rey 2 legs and Champions League.
Bro, but
2
that's
legs.
the thing, it
Wasn't
never happens.
Wasn't it awesome? Like,
Yeah,
Bro,
but
that's
it
because
happened
we-
once, it might never happen again.
Never again. And we had 4
Yeah.
and we were literally just buzzing off
But
it.
if,
Like,
if someone tells you हर साल 8
हर
Clasico
साल
होने
होगा.
हैं,
Bro, तुम
तो
chill हो
बस
जाओगे.
करो
You
यार.
won't look at it that way. You'll be
Yeah.
like ठीक है होगा, good है, scene है. Like
even if they're like bomb matches, like everybody is playing awesome.
Tariq, look, let me give you another example. This current season's past 3-4 भी देख लो. Arsenal and United, the teams, ठीक है. What are they doing now? Like क्या quality भी देखो ना फिर उसका. Like उसको खेल के बंदा थक जाते हैं. I literally miss
हाँ,
it.
नहीं, मैं
I miss
थक
it.
जाता
I
हूँ
miss
देख के
the-
यार.
No, but I miss. It's a big game as well. Like, I'm just giving you an example. It's a big game. You're saying a big game, ना?
Yeah.
Big game है, but I miss it sometimes because I know कि यार what I'm gonna get in this match from this match. तो ये भी factor देख लो.
And I wonder
होगा.
sometimes, like, you know,
No,
also
just generally like we're playing too much.
I've seen Liverpool Chelsea in a Premier League game, like a midday Premier League game, and I've seen Liverpool Chelsea in a Champions League quarterfinal,
Exactly,
semi-final.
yeah.
You know, weekend night. Hamara time is late. You know, 7:45 in England, and like the players, whole game is different
Yeah.
because it matters so much.
Exactly.
But will it matter in the Super League? I think even despite this, the players might not even be able to get up for it because they're like, "What is this? We don't even know what this trophy is worth."
Yeah.
Players
अगर हार भी गए तो
look
हम
at
फिर
यार
खेल
तुम
लेंगे.
सेमीफाइनल फाइनल के देखो जब वो टीम्स हारती हैं प्लेयर्स की हालत देखो क्या हो जाता है प्लेयर्स को जमीन में बैठे होते रो रहे होते हैं इवन तो चैंपियंस लीग हर साल होता है but it means something that's
The knockout part of the
anthem means
tournament.
something look the trophy is beautiful
The knockout part of the tournament means a lot.
Anthem यार उसका anthem मैं miss करता हूँ.
बास्केटबॉल
अब
में भी
यूरोपा
यही
का
होता
सुनना
है.
होता है.
Playoffs की वजह से.
Regular season में everyone's just, you know, like a lot of player load management in basketball. People are not playing. You won't see Kawhi
I can't
playing
get
a lot
over
of
that.
matches.
Please go again. Oh. Europa
I've
League.
seen
ये कोई
I've
Europa
seen,
League anthem.
I've seen Neymar track back in a Champions League semi-final
हाँ.
that tells you that
Yeah.
means something
काफी है boys.
Yeah, I think it's.
I think it's time to go.
Yeah.
in summary
I had one more.
हाँ हाँ
question.
बोल भाई.
Notes second page पे.
Pardon me.
क्या लिखा हुआ है? We look forward.
जेब से notebook निकालेगा एक बार.
No, I had this one point to make that for people who think, especially on Twitter, who are all like, "Oh, we won," God knows what they won, but like the people who are saying that this is over,
No, it'll come back.
I don't think it's over because for one thing, there's a lot about contract law and sport law that we're not aware of. The Super League members are still there. They're planning. They might even sue the people, the clubs who left. So there could still be a saga there. Secondly, oh, that was the point.
You're right in the sense that
basically we're not done yet
A lot of these clubs weren't happy about the Champions League format as is. They weren't happy about the number of games they're playing. The Champions League format means they're playing even more games than they were before.
Yeah.
So something or the other, I think, down. They're saying they want more control. I think sooner or later they'll get more control.
I think there's going to be more drama, even like within the next few days.
हाँ जी drama.
Yeah. And you know,
इसी में
the
खत्म
bottom
करना
line
है.
is few
बस
years
ना.
the bottom line is
काफी हो गया.
Wage bill. मुझतबा आ रहा है फिर से wage bill. नहीं कह रहे कुछ बड़ा नहीं चुप हो जा.
30 years ago football went from being about sport to being about money and it's always going to stay this way it's going to go forward greed will stay there as long as greed will stay there teams that have more global appeal are going to want a bigger piece of the pie
अच्छा
and
ठीक है ना
and the
बगैर.
owners might get wiser as well. Next time they might try to do it the right way. So getting the fans
Is
involved.
there a right way though?
Yes, there is.
ये next time बात करते हैं. अभी इतना ही है. Like and subscribe. अल्लाह हाफिज़.
Bell icon.